After what seemed like forever, the Musketeer is finally back in business. Annual is complete, the trim tab is fixed, and it even has some fresh paint. Naturally, before we could do anything, we needed to add some fuel. We grounded the plane and then we filled her up to the tabs. After finishing up the fuel tank, we did a quick taxi and a thorough run-up. Then we headed to the runway. Listen in as Dad flies the plane and I run the radios.
All right, full rich, lights are on, fuel tank fullest, pressures are good, here we go. Wheels are down.
Feet are on the floor.
Airspeed's alive at 40. There's 50, 60.
Yeah,
80,
lift off.
going to 90. Oil pressure's good, oil temperature's in the green. Amp's good, suction, fuel pressure, 1100. Crosswind, runway 18, Hendricks County.
Got someone 2,000 feet above you.
Okay.
Over that way. As a heads up.
You know, I'm not so sure I didn't notice that windsock as we went by it was actually giving us a tailwind.
I checked it right before we...
Yeah.
Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 25 Celsius. 2.7 Celsius. Altimeter 3010. Remarks. Density altitude 2,100.
Tango downwind, runway 18, Hendricks County traffic.
First notch of flaps. Trimming for 80. More power.
Hendricks County traffic, Tiger 218 is at the ramp, taxiing to 18.
Turning base, runway 18, Hendricks County. Oh, you're turning like Jeremy.
Oh, I am over standard, aren't I? And I'm getting low.
Can always go around.
Yep. We'll see what we are when we turn final here. We're going to turn final.
5 Tango turning final, runway 18, Hendricks County.
I'm a white red.
Yeah, you're good. All right, my feet are on the floor. Main light is on. Fuel boost is on.
Yep, gas, undercarriage, mixture.
Got 2 whites.
Dad wasn't super impressed with his landing, but it was safe and we were so thankful to have been back in the air. Stay tuned for more adventures.